Do your desktop icons still have those annoying shortcut arrows? What if I told you can remove them permanently in under few minutes? No software, no risky tweaks, and it works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. By the end of this video, your icons will look clean and professional and arrow-free. Please subscribe to the channel. Let's fix this together. Now let's get started. So to remove those shortcut arrows, I'm going to use my virtual machine for the demonstration, okay? So to get started, I'm going to open my virtual machine, which I've launched already. And then on my desktop, you can see I have some shortcut arrows, okay? On my icons, you can see I have some shortcut arrows on some of my icons, okay? So we are going to remove all those shortcut arrows, okay? So to do that, I'm going to click on the search. Then I right click on the registry editor. If you don't have it in the recent, you can search for it and then you right click on that. And then you click on Run as Administrator. So I'm going to click on Yes to allow these apps to make changes. So at the registry editor, we are going to expand HKey local machine, and then we expand software. So at the software, we are going to expand Microsoft. So at the Microsoft, we are going to scroll down, and then we expand Windows, okay? So at the Windows, we are going to expand current version. So at the current version, we are going to scroll down, and then we click on Explorer. So at the Explorer, we are going to create a key, okay, and name it Shell Icon. So to do that, I'm going to right click on the Explorer, then I go to New, and then Key. So I'm going to name my key Shell Icons, okay. So at the Shell Icons, we are going to create a string value. So to do that, I'm going to right click on an empty space at the right pane, then I go to New, and then String Value. So I'm going to give the value 29, then I'll press on the Enter key. So now we are going to edit the value 29. So to do that, I'm going to double click on that. Then I type these values, okay? WinDIR percentage, WinDIR percentage, okay, backslash, system32, backslash, okay? And then we type shell 32.dll, okay? And then we bring the comma sign, and then we bring the dash or minus 50, okay? So when you are done, you click on OK. So now for the changes to take effect, you can choose to restart your system or you can restart File Explorer, okay? But for the purpose of this tutorial, we want a quick response for demonstration. So I'm going to close the registry and then I'll restart the File Explorer for the changes to take effect. So I'm going to right click on the taskbar, then I go to Task Manager. So at the Task Manager, I'm going to search for Windows Explorer, okay? Then I click on the Windows Explorer, then I restart task. It's still restarting the task, okay? So let me close the Task Manager. And now you can see the icons, okay? All the shortcut arrows are gone, okay? All the shortcut arrows are gone, okay? So this is how to remove those shortcut arrows, okay? And then if you want to bring those shortcut arrows back, you go back to the registry, okay? So let me show you how to do that quickly. You go back to the registry by clicking on the search, and then you right click on the registry, and then you run as administrator. So I'm going to click on yes, and then you can delete the 29, okay? You can delete this, and then you delete the shell icons as well, okay? And then we are going to restart the File Explorer. So let me right click on the Task Manager, on the taskbar, then I click on Task Manager. So I'm going to search for Windows Explorer, okay? Then I click on that, and then I'll restart task. So if I close the Task Manager, you can see the shortcut arrows are back, okay? So this is how to remove those shortcut arrows on your icons for your desktop to look clean and professional, okay? So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.